Elena, Nacho, Noodles. What? Guess where we're gonna be celebrating the 4th of July? In our hometown? No. We're going to Memory Lane, where the bombs really go off. I can't wait, Father. There's only 3 couples going to celebrate at a certain place this year for the 4th of July. In Memory Lane. Cool. We're one of those couples, honey. Oh my. The wall is caving in on us. Gee, I couldn't tell. Aren't you excited? I got us a spot to watch the fireworks in Memory Lane. Oh, my tail. Are you serious? Mm-hmm. You probably did this because you knew our anniversary was coming up. Max, I love you. Taffy, you're so sweet. I know. Pack your things, sugar. I say we head over right now. It's 5 in the morning, Max. I don't think so. So I say we head over at like 3. How does that sound? Okay. Yeah, then we could go out and eat, and then we could set up a little picnic thing, I guess, with the other couples and enjoy the show. Yeah, so dress your finest. We're going to watch the fireworks, honey. And, I'll meet you there at 5, so. See you then. I love Taffy. Why are we leaving so darn early? 'Cause I want to. No, Max, we're gonna leave at like, I don't know, but not 5 in the morning. Let me sleep a bit more. Blake, get out of my bed. Alright, I'll see you at 3, and you could drive us there. You know I don't got a car. Right? Oh my dog. Memory Lane is where me and Cassidy used to live. She should be here. I should be going with her. Not Taffy. I should have said I loved her when she said that she loved me still. Whatever. Go to bed, honey. Prince, you good? No. Okay, I'm leaving. Help me. I love you, Cass. I miss you. My gosh, we're here. Where's our son? We're here.
Oh, hey guys. What's up?
Well, happy 4th of July, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Did you have any kids?
Oh, no, because, we're gonna be drinking, and we don't want the kids wanting a drink of our drinks. Because of child safety. Oh, hi, Joey.
Hi. Good thing Bubby finally let me sneak onto the car ride because, yeah, I'm here now, man. Oh, Dexter.
Yeah?
Wasn't expecting you or any Sparkle City citizen to be here. When did you get back from your trip?
Today.
I hate this dude.
I wonder why.
What's wrong with you?
Come on, sweetie, we're almost there. Let's just deliver it.
Doing? Cassidy, yep. Taffy, how about you leave for this? Cassidy, I still love you.
myself. Clover.
Yeah, so y'all wanna go get some tacos?
Oh yeah. So Cancun. Hi. Boy, stop messing with my girlfriend.
Whoa.
How about we just go get some like tacos or hot dogs or something? I've fallen and I can't get up.
Nacho, what did you do to him? He was hitting on you.
I only said hi.
Shut up!
Noodles, that's sweet and all, but I told you that I still love you one time and you rejected me.
Well, you're the one who broke up with me, man.
Yeah, but I still love you, but now I've moved on. Okay, now leave. I'm at the same place as you are. Why don't you leave?
I don't know.
Whatever. Muddles, where's my luggage? Oh, I found it. Yeah, we're taking our stuff and leaving. You had your chance, Miss Cassidy, but you decided to go off and marry nothing.
Nice seeing you again.
Yeah, a long time no see.
Let's go get some hot dogs.
I need to tell you something, Isabella.
Yeah?
I wanted to tell you this for a very long time. I'll tell you it later. I'm making it great here.
Wow, look at that sunset. It's literally melting our eyeballs.
That was fun. Yeah, it was.
How was the pool?
Oh, it was great. It was so awesome. Fireworks, am I right? Anyways, yeah, it was cool.
Okay. Get with your friend, okay? Cancun? Let's go, under the tree. I am a dog, under a log, under a tree. Under the bush. We're just gonna be watching the fireworks show under a tree. Okay. Are you excited for the fireworks show?
Yeah, it is. Like the first time I'm seeing it ever.
Oh. Actually, it's kind of awkward here because this is where me and Noodles always went to watch the fireworks.
Oh.
I'm still alive.
Hey, we were having a romantic, beautiful, something. What an inspirational speech he just gave. And you want us to get out of your fur now?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see the heck?
What is this?
Okay, excuse us. This is our territory. Bubby, can you leave?
Wait. My dog.
Oh!
Listen, well, we're royalty, you're smoyalty. You're nothing. You're blocking the view. Yeah.
Well, get tall, shorty. Is that short for this?
Whatever. It's better than nothing, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we could join the Chihuahua people under the tree.
Maybe not. I don't know what they're doing. We'll see the fireworks pop up in the sky, won't we?
Oh yeah, we could just lean back
Or relax.
Oh, come on, bunny. We can sit in the bush. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, where shall we sit?
Not too late.
We're a little late. You know what? We'll squeeze in right here.
Thanks,
Oh my
guys.
My tail. What's her problem?
Okay, guys, we need to arrange this seating here.
You just came in and ruined our seat.
Okay, listen, we just... Shut up.
This is a little squished in the front.
Hey, come on, it's better than nothing. Plus, the fireworks will be up there.
There's a tree blocking the view.
Hey, Huey. Oh. You know, you want to, since we're best buds, we'll sit together.
Okay.
I don't know where, but get out of my house somewhere.
No, we'll just sit right here. Okay, then.
What was that just there? Well, you see. So you see. I'm actually...
My brother has invaded us. And Bonnie's trying to get my neighbors to send help. I'm just gonna call the man Bean because he's a bean. No. Saul has gone missing due to his evil wrath. We just want to see the fireworks, man. We got him back. Wait, so why are we over here?
Because I'm pretty sure you're cheating on me. Dexter guy.
I'm not. He's gay. That would be weird. He's gay. Oh, okay then.
Look, there's a lot of fireworks going off. It's not really dark, but they're like noises.
Pretty cool.
Sit back and relax.
Okay.
Don't worry about Dexter. I'm never gonna cheat on you, man.
You just stole Dexter.
Anyways.
When is this show gonna start? I'm bored. I don't think this show's starting up anytime soon.
Oh,
I'm gonna go use some pop
wait.
rocks.
There it is. Oh my god. It's behind the big thing, car man thing.
I'll wait for dark when it's really bright.
Yeah, that would be better. Now that Cassidy and Noodles mentioned it, I kind of want to use those pop rock things too.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go.
I mean, there's no big shows going on yet. I mean, it's still sunset. Come on, let's go.
Woo!
Oh.
Hey guys, here to watch the fun.
Wow, we both failed, sucker.
What? Ooh, that was nice.
I'm gonna try again. Oh, come on! Wow, sure, I'm some nice fireworks. We need big ones, though. Let's see.
Hey guys, ready for a big one?
Okay. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. There yeah. Oh, can I try? Watch, I'm gonna fail or something. I did not fail. I'm better than you, sucker. That's all right. Oh my God,
Hey!
get away!
Hey, what do you think you're doing, man? Plus, Cassidy, you didn't pop too.
Well, that was interesting. Oh my God. Yeah, Noodles, you belong to me. What? Yeah, hon, we're a thing. Stop falling for stupid... Amazing. It's the big ones.
Hey, Cassidy, you want to be like a big one?
Okay.
Ready, Cassidy?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm a pretty much expert at this.
Okay, let's go back. I think the big ones are starting up.
Huh? Nothing.
Okay.
It's gonna be nice.
Oh, okay.
My best bud here with me.
Okay. But where's Cancun? Over there. Oh, laying down with his boy. Oh my God!
Oh my god, my ears!
You sure you're not cheating on me? Oh my... Nacho, for the last time, I'm not cheating on you, okay? He's just my friend. He's weird. He's gay. Whatever. Don't look away from me like that. I'm the one who got us here. Yeah, probably just because you wanted to flirt with little Dexter. You only brought me here because you had to be in a couple to come here. How'd Dexter get here then? Oh my god, it's smoking. Hey y'all! Sorry I'm late. I kind of missed the car ride, so I had to take the bus.
I miss you.
Hi. Magic. Oh, smells so good, be terrible. Yeah, sorry, I'm late.
Yeah, it's fine. At least you're here now.
Yeah.
What if I'm gonna go back to Cancun and see how they're hanging out? You know?
Okay. I'm not cheating on you, hon.
Hey,
Okay?
guys!
What do you want?
Great fireworks sounds so far.
Yeah.
I was just seeing if you guys like just blasting it. You guys are kind of closer than us.
Yeah, we're fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, Nacho. Bye.
Shut up, man! There's too many houses in the way. I can't see anything.
It gets dark really quickly.
Running it.
Well, this is scary. Well, out of the way, Dexter. No one wants to see your ugly face.
Yeah, can we switch areas? Keep the cars run away.
Yeah, we're lunatics spending our 4th of July filming about Beanie Boos.
What is it? Nothing at all. Big gun! Wow, those are big, man! My guy! Wow! Man, I miss Cassidy. What? Nothing.
Man, I remember when Cassidy and I would just sit under this blanket and watch above the stars.
Oh wait, there's no stars tonight. Someone send me a sign! My beautiful baby. My beautiful baby.
I'm just screaming like I'm inside. I'm so normal.
The thing that I needed to tell you, I know it sounded a little early, but I love you.
Ow.
Clover. And the home of the brave. Oh. Was that it? Oh my God!
Yeah, that's right, suckers. We're still here. Boomity boom boom. Boom boom. Boom. Oh. They're like mini fireworks. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! If you'll excuse me, Cassidy. I'll be right back. What is it? I love you, Cassidy.
Wow.
I once felt the same, but times changed, man. And I don't know if I could say I feel the same anymore, because I'm with someone else now. And I mean, like, you shouldn't take me back when I told you that I still love you and all, but, like, I love you too. Rope, Muddles, what's wrong?
Can't you see? They don't love us. The Cassidy and stupid Noodles, they're just making out over there.
Can't even see them.
It didn't work. We didn't get what we wanted. They'll never love us.
Oh.
Were you filming that?
No. Oh. Noisy. Well, we're both without a date now. Care to watch the fireworks? True love really does happen.